Welcome to our channel and welcome to another technical analysis video. Pero bago tayo mag-proceed sa mga stocks na pag-uusapan natin ngayon in this video, pick up muna tayo sa market natin, Philippine Stock Exchange Index. So, index still in our bearish area, below sa mga moving averages natin and moving sideways so far, which is somehow a good sign for our overall general market. As long as it stay above our support line, pinlat natin. As long as it stay above our support line at 5,800, we are still good. Pero pag na-break to 5,800 price level natin, next support natin will be in this area, 5,500, around this area. So, proceed naman tayo sa mga stocks natin in this video. Una sa listahan natin is ICT, International Container Terminal Services. The outlier blue chip, strong bullish trend, moving on its 52-week high dito sa 840. If you are just planning to enter this stock, safe way would be waiting for some corrections or pullbacks. Dito banda magkaroon ng mga pullbacks dito. Si Then set your cut or stop loss just in case tapos na pala yung trend niya. If holder ka naman ni ICT, ang pinakamagandang exit for this stock is by doing the follow trend. Example, exit pag bumaba na siya below this 20-day MA para mas maximize mo yung gains. Pero okay lang din if you set your take profit levels. Ang importante naman sa market is for you to be able to secure your gains. Sunod naman natin is Pure Gold. Pure Gold naman, another candidate bullish blue chip stock. Kung titignan natin itong mga recent candles niya from the malapit dito sa 20-day MA up to the present candle, all green. Nag-close lahat sa green. Moving towards the 52-week high na rin. Itong high dito sa 49.10. And as we plot our box for Pure Gold dito from this point, then yung low niya is dito banda. And mapapansin natin na breakout na din si Pure Gold. So next thing we need to find is yung susunod niyang resistance. So we move towards to the left side. Dito punta tayo sa left side. Find the possible resistance. So possible resistance is around here sa pinaka-high neto, which is the 54 pesos. For Pure Gold, we could consider the price level of 54 as its next resistance after this breakout. We might expect some take profit level pag umabot siya dito sa 54 pesos or magkakaroon ng consolidation muna dito. Last on our stock for this video is Dominion Holdings or DHI. And strong bullish stock din si DHI above our moving averages and moving towards its 52-week high din dito sa 9.24. And it's a 9.24. And currently forming a small consolidation. And kung ipa-plot natin, yung box niya, 'yan. Nagkakaroon siya ng consolidation dito. Breakout ng box could be a good entry and siyempre set your stops as it goes back inside the box. If nag-materialize yung entry, you may set a target price or follow trend using the 20-day moving average as your signal. Pag-usapan naman natin itong stop loss. Sa mga importanteng tools na kailangan mong i-consider sa pagte-trade. Ito yung pro-protect sa capital mo 'pag hindi umayon sa'yo yung setup na ginawa mo. Pino-protect din nito yung emotional state mo when you trade. 'Pag 'di mo kasi nakontrol yung emotion mo when things didn't go your way and the stock goes down south, puwedeng mas matalo ka pa. Ang goal natin sa stock trading is to snowball your capital as fast as we can. Hindi mo magagawang mag-snowball yung capital mo if ipit ka sa isang stock or hindi mo magamit yung capital mo. Matutulungan kang mag-reset 'pag may stop loss ka and reconsider to find another potential stock. As long as may system ka na sinusundan, mas mapapadali yung trading journey mo. Ito na muna yung for this video. If you find the video helpful, please like and subscribe para ma-notify ka for our new upcoming videos. Thank you for watching and see you sa susunod na video.